Hi everyone, this is Arish from AI Arsenal. For anyone interested in utilizing the tools of DeepSeek for their personal work, helping to come up with ideas, writing code, or doing research, or just wanting to experiment with AI, today I will be teaching you how to use DeepSeek properly. Let's dive into DeepSeek, an AI tool that receives your input and uses its language model to help you complete everyday tasks quickly and efficiently. First, head to chat.deepseek.com. You can use DeepSeek completely free by creating an account, which makes it a very free and accessible tool for anyone. After you sign in, you'll be taken to a simple chat page where you can immediately start asking questions or giving instructions to the AI. Once you're on the DeepSeek website, you'll see an entry box where you can type your prompt or question to be processed. Similar to other AI chatbots, you can also upload files or images, but these may take longer since larger files take more time to process. Now, there is a little bit of customization that you can do with DeepSeek. So if you go to the bottom left, to the email, and then select settings, you'll be taken to a general section. You can choose light, dark, or system, which is basically the default theme. Also, you can change the system language is whatever your computer or device currently uses. So for example, my device uses English, so it's automatically set to English. You can choose between English, Chinese, and many other languages. Then you can go to your profile. You will see your email address, a phone number if it is attached. Also, you can delete your account or log out of all other devices. Next, there's the data. It allows your content to be used to train their models and improve their services. So this can be toggled on or off for whether they're going to use your data. Then you can manage your shared links. These links can be shared to other people so they can view your chats and interact with them. Next, exporting your data removes your data from this account and allows it to be transferred to a different account or AI. Next, you can delete all your chat history with this button. So here in About, you can read the terms of use and privacy policy by clicking these two buttons. Now I will teach you how to communicate with the AI chatbot. Click the text box and explain directly what you want while providing as much context as possible. For instance, if I just say, explain coding, it'll end up giving a very general or brief answer. So now it's saying basically what coding is and what it does and different types of it. So this might not be what I actually wanted it to tell me. So instead, if I say explain JavaScript objects to a beginner and provide 3 simple examples, I'll give a much more detailed explanation of what I want directly. So here is giving exactly what a JavaScript object is, how you write one, and then 3 simple examples: a person, a car, and a book. This shows how giving precise and detailed inputs leads to a more accurate and helpful output. And that's DeepSeek. You learned how to use one of today's fastest growing AI models and can now use it for personal tasks and work with little to no difficulties. Make sure not to use DeepSeek, however, to cheat by using its features to finish your own work for school, college, or job. DeepSeek should be a tool, not something that does everything for you.